guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rhea and my YouTube channel is Rhea_home for 4. And I hope you like my first video when I did install the peel and stick in the powder room downstairs. And I realized that I really like it, so I'm getting ready to install it in mine and my husband's master bathroom. We're here upstairs. So as you can see, this one's gonna be a little bit of use of the peel and stick. I don't think I'm gonna be removing the mirror because I still like the mirror. So maybe I'll just do something about the border later on. But for now, I'm not worried what I'm gonna do with that yet. But I'm trying to put a peel and stick backsplash here, in here, and then on the side, right here. And then hopefully if I have enough, I'm gonna go all the way to the top. So we'll see how that one goes. But yeah, that's the goal for today. So stand by and stay tuned. I'll be using the leftover peel and stick backsplash that I used from the powder room downstairs. Actually, in one package, it has 10 pieces. And I only used 3 pieces of backsplash in the powder room downstairs. So hopefully what I have right now, the seven pieces will be enough to cover this one over here and a little bit over here under the mirror. And hopefully, like I said, hopefully what I have left is enough. Otherwise, I'm going to need to reorder some more. Yeah, okay, so before you put in the peel and stick backsplash, you need to clean the wall with a degreaser so that you can at least take off the oil residue that's on the wall. And then kind of like after you do that, you let it dry for a little bit and then put on the peel and stick backsplash. So in the package, there is an instructions for use. You just see first for the first style, you need to cut the jag side. So you're gonna do a straight cut first, like over here, straight cut, and then put the cast side on the edge of the wall and then start overlapping. Do not put the first style in this way, otherwise you will have trouble lining up. So I'm gonna follow that instruction, but I don't think it's complicated. But all you have to do is just use a very sharp scissors to cut the first side, and then make sure that you line it up. So cut it straight like that on this side. So that's what you're gonna use over here to start. Oh, right there. So I'm planning to pre-cut everything before installing it so that I'll know if I have enough.
Also, I think we need to remove the mirror.
I don't think so. I'm not planning to remove the mirror again. So we're gonna work around the mirror. Okay.
Why?
So I'm gonna pre-cut everything, and then let's see how high I can go from what I have left from the leftover of peel and stick backsplash from the powder room downstairs. Okay. So I cut all the small pieces right here so I could try to put in at the bottom over here. So they're just the excess of what I have cut for the big ones over here. So yeah, that's it. Well, I finished everything and I actually used all 7 panels of the leftover of the peel and stick backsplash, and I was able to put it all the way up there, right there. And Excuse me for the mess. That's a table that I use to do all the cutting and stuff like that. But this is the only thing that I have left from the 7 panels. So I hope you like today's video. And this is one of the cheapest and easiest way to update your bathroom, your builder grade bathroom. And I hope you like it. And thank you for watching as always to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to buy the same or similar peel and stick backsplash, I will put a link in the description down below. But as always, thank you for watching. Bye!